I got this PC in today. It's a heavy, very heavy one. This is an Optiplex 4740, and client brought it in saying that it's overheating and it's very slow and it shuts down randomly. So I'm gonna set it down and open it up and see what could be the issue. So let's put it down. It is pretty heavy. So we are gonna pull the trigger so we get this cover up. So cover up. There we go. Holy. So let's go ahead and remove the cover. So dust everywhere. There's a poor hard drive. And look. Yeah, I can make a little cushion here. So we got all this in here. The CPU block is really dirty. The RAMs down there are spot clean. And again, there's one more sponge right over here. So yeah. So I wonder how's the power unit inside. So we're gonna take some air compressor and blow air through everything here and see how much dust we can remove. Let's remove the cover right over here. On this side, screw. The one on this, oh, this one is actually loose, look. This one was actually loose, so yeah. So remove the cover for the hard drive, the SATA. I don't think I should be breathing. So let's remove the cables for the front panel. Alright, so we pull this back. And holy. This is one goddamn clean CPU. So we're gonna put this to one side. We're gonna get back to you. Let's see what we got here. So we can pull that trigger out and slide it in front a little bit to release. Release, come on, release. Yeah, good boy. There we go. Don't want to shake it any more than what it is. So, holy moly, let's unplug this one from the jack. And let's put this to one side. And there we have the rest. Remove the hard drive. Oh, look, that thing coming out. That's one goddamn clean hard drive. So let's put this to one side. And look at all that beauty right there. Alright, let's take this outside and clean it up. Alright, let's look at the difference. I cleaned it up, I brushed it out, and look at the difference. I did as much as I could, like a detailing. I didn't do under the oxidization, but yeah. Cleaned up the randoms, cleaned up everything. The power unit, it was horrible. And the whole system, the motherboard is sparkling clean. And also I cleaned up all the plastics that they had. The fan system, brand new. The heatsink, cleaned up. I disassembled the fan unit completely. Cleaned up the fan unit. Cleaned up the fan itself. You can actually eat food on top of this right now, it's clean. And the hard drive, brand cleaned up. But I'm gonna be replacing this with a solid state drive, because this is just an 80 gig hard drive. So this is going out. And we're gonna see if we stick an SSD in here and we bump up the RAM a little more and see what we can get from here. Because the client obviously doesn't want to buy a new one, they are really attached to this one. So let's see what we can do here. Alright, fan clean, thermal paste in there, heatsink clean. So we're gonna slap this one right on top. Alright, all cleaned up, heatsink installed, motherboard cleaned, power unit cleaned. And now all we need to do is put the SSD drive and start this baby up. And hopefully we can get at least Windows 7 installed in here. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.